Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Merrill customer service. First, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. You need to type down merrill.com and enter it. And over here, once you're inside this home page, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from here, you need to go to the security. And once the security page opens, what you need to do is you need to go to this contact us in the top right. And over here, you can scroll a bit down. And if you are currently working with Merrill Advisor, you can simply call to this number available from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And if you're looking for your 401k retirement or equity awards account with Merrill, you can simply contact to this number, which is also available from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And over here, you can find these frequently asked questions here as well. And if you find any relatable question to you, you can simply open it and you can find this instruction here. And that is it. That is how you can contact Merrill customer service. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.